Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. In today's video, we'll be doing a birthday basket. So I'm making this basket for my daughter's 22nd birthday. So basically, I'm doing like a purple basket. Her favorite color is purple. So I just have some purple items. I have this purple wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree. I had some of this left over from maybe one Easter or somebody's birthday, one of my daughter's birthday. So this is from the Dollar Tree. I found these at Walmart. We're going to paint these and put them on her basket. I believe they were like $1 and some change. And I just have like some birthday items that we're going to go over once we start packing her crate. And then I got the crate from Walmart, and I think this was like $11 and some change, $11.74 maybe. But I'll try to find it and link it below. It's very small. So I'm just going to paint it purple because, like I said, it's her favorite color. These paints can be found at Walmart. And I have Velvet Crush. One of these will paint this whole crate. And then I got a light purple. And you'll just need some brushes, and these can be found at any arts and crafts store. I think I got these from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so while the crate is drying, I'm going to show you guys what I got her to put in her basket. So I got her this cup. This is from TEMU. I can link the TEMU items below. Whatever I mentioned, that's from TEMU. I got her these Beauty Blender sponges, TEMU. Body cream, lavender and vanilla from Bath and Body Works. I got her this butterfly you stick in your car vent. I got her these cup holders for her car from TEMU. This exfoliating gloves from TEMU. This brush cleaner from TEMU. This perfume bottle pump from TEMU. This Prada perfume from Ulta Beauty. I got her this really cute makeup bag from SHEIN. Oh, it's purple. I got her this little gift box, and it says, sweet love, please always know that I love you more than anything else in the world. So I got her these cute like flowers. She can sit like on her dresser or sit somewhere in her room, and they also smell like roses. It has like a little scent to them. Really cute. Different shades of purple flowers. So it's kind of giving forever flowers vibes without the forever money. Okay. This candle from Target is a cherry blossom peach. Smells really good. This selfie tripod, because my daughter is a content creator as well. She's getting into that. So I'll leave all her information below so you guys can follow her. As a birthday gift, it's free to support y'all, so do that for me. But I got her this pretty purple tripod. Comes with a wireless remote. I'll show you guys like on the side of the screen the blue one or the black one that I have. But this is perfect for traveling. And yeah, you can get different angles. Take this wherever to take your pictures. So I'm not going to take it all the way out. Like I said, I'll have a demonstration below, and you can find this in my Amazon storefront. And then the next thing, I'm just going to pop a picture on the screen because in this box is her light kit from Amazon. I'm going to show you on the screen, like I said, this popular light. It's very popular for like your cell phones. You can get great pictures in the light, in the dark. And I thought this would be great because she's going out of town, so she can get good pictures while she's out of town. I'm going to actually wrap these presents. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so my camera had died, so I just ended up painting the wooden tag yellow around the edges, and then I'm going to use this purple, which is the same as the flower. I also completed the flower, so I'm going to paint it this lavender purple, and then once it dries, we're going to stick the stickers on there that says 22.